Spirit Airlines is staring at a potential shutdown, with a final decision now resting on the U.S. administration led by Donald Trump. The airline is in advanced talks for a $500 million bailout, but negotiations remain stuck due to disagreements between the government and Spirit's creditors.
Did you decide against bailing out Spirit Airlines?
Well, I guess we're looking at it. If we could do it, we'd do it, but only if it's a good deal.
Claiming that they're preparing to shut down this weekend because they haven't gotten a deal.
Well, we're looking at it, but if we can't make a good deal, no institution's been able to do it. I said, I'd like to save the jobs, but we'll have an announcement sometime today. We gave them a final proposal.
The low-cost carrier, which has already gone through 2 bankruptcies, is struggling to stay afloat as costs surge. While operations continue for now, the risk of a sudden halt remains high, with an official announcement expected imminently. A shutdown could disrupt travel for millions. Spirit has around 9,000 flights scheduled in May alone, averaging nearly 300 flights and up to 60,000 passengers daily. Over 40 flights have already been cancelled nationwide, signaling early stress. If operations cease, passengers may need to seek refunds or rebook at higher fares. While competitors are expected to absorb stranded travelers, the exit of Spirit, which accounts for roughly 2% of U.S. domestic capacity, is likely to push ticket prices higher as fewer seats become available across the market.
Well, hearing that Spirit is shutting down, I think it's insane. I always thought Spirit had a bunch of customers and a lot of support with other people flying as well, whether it's economy and back and forth and just a safe flight to use.
At the core of the crisis is a sharp rise in jet fuel prices, which have nearly doubled since the start of the Iranian conflict. As the second largest expense after labor, fuel has squeezed margins across the industry. However, ultra-low-cost carriers like Spirit have limited ability to pass on these costs to price-sensitive customers. A shutdown will not only put jobs at risk, but could also accelerate consolidation in an industry already dominated by 4 major players controlling about 80% of capacity.